Hey guys, this is Mr. H again. This is question 26 from the June 2024 Regents exam. I'm going to do this. Um, this is just a function. They give you g of x equals x to the third power plus 2x squared minus x, and they want you to evaluate g of a negative 3. And so basically what I was just saying is they want you to take this input and they want you to substitute that value in for x and calculate what the output should be. Now, in order to get full credit, we're going to graph this because anytime you have a function, you can graph it. And we're going to use menu 51, and we're going to see what the output is when we put in the input a negative 3. Now, in order to get full credit, either you have to say, hey, I graphed it, and I used the table and an input of a negative 3. So you got to explain what you're doing. You got to write that out, or you have to just do this. If you do g a negative 3, and then you go a negative 3 to the third power plus 2 negative 3 to the second power minus a negative 3. And notice I put those negative 3s in parentheses, which is always good practice. But even though I'm doing this, I'm not going to actually calculate this. I'm still going to graph it and just find the output. So let's just do that real quick. So let me go grab the calculator. All right, so the last question we did, it was, let's see what we've got. It was in relation mode, so I'm going to put it back in function mode. The way you do that is menu 31. All right, so now we're back in function mode. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to type in this function, and then I'm going to look for the output. So let's get that. It's going to be x to the third power, x to the third power plus 2x squared minus x. I keep doing that double. All right, and then I press enter. All right, it's a cubic function, doesn't matter. Now all I'm going to do is go menu 51. Remember, menu 51 is your friend. And I am going to type in the x value that they gave us, or the input, and it was a negative 3. So I put that in, and then I press enter, and it's going to take me to that output. So it says, when you put in the x value of a negative 3, the y value is going to be a negative 6. So that's our answer. Now you could also do the table. You could go Control T, and you could go arrow up until you get to a negative 3, and you can see the output is still a negative 6. So this is a pretty easy question. Again, sometimes I'm surprised at the things that we miss. But the answer for this one would be a negative 6. If you did this plus this, you got 2 points. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.